A Letter to Nature, March 2nd, 2023. Dear Nature, come on. You've had your chance. December, January, February are your months allotted for the winter dance. And here in Vermont, you barely gave them a glance, and now they're gone already. No worry, that's okay. Nobody's ever 100% steady. But here's the deal. You gotta let it go. You missed your chance for snow this time around. And it's not fair to try to use March for the rebound. Don't do that. There's a bunch of us ready to move on into spring. You had us singing early, so cut out being squirrely now and throwing down a tantrum of the white stuff. Enough. Okay? You hear me? Enough. I'm not trying to get tough with you, but listen. Have you looked up in your sky lately? Have you seen the newest glistening up there now? We're doing human installations, putting up brand new moving constellations. I mean, what can I say? We've gone way past the landscape. We've got our people taking over space. The point is, you've got to pay more attention to us, the human race. We're getting powerful. Fingers poised over buttons. You gotta know who's buttering the bread, am I right? So say goodnight to winter and move along. It's really not that hard. I hope I've clearly intimated you can't let your natural ego get too inflated. Just try to remember who is really in charge. Thanks. No need for reply, no apology or sorrow. Just have this mess cleared up by tomorrow.